In the year 2018, the term fitness tracker no longer strange to consumers. Almost every brand will come up with their own solution for fitness tracker. Now, you can get a smartwatch with fitness tracking or fitness tracker that will show you time. However, what makes Xiaomi Mi Band 3 the best fitness tracker in the market? I am Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the review of Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Mi Band has been the best-selling fitness tracker for Xiaomi. Starting from the original Mi Band, Xiaomi proves that good fitness tracker does not need to be expensive. It can also do the same as expensive fitness tracker. I'm not going to bore you with what Xiaomi Mi Band 3 can do or cannot do. Rather, I will tell you guys how I use the Mi Band 3 combined with Google Fit. Let's start with the design and hardware. Xiaomi Mi Band 3 comes with a 0.78-inch OLED display with the indent that acts as the confirm button. Xiaomi claimed that the 0.78-inch display is able to display up to 24 characters. The material of the surface that covers the display is plastic, and it will get smudged if you got oily finger like me. When you are at indoor, you will not have any problem with the OLED display, but when you are at outdoor, you will be having some difficulties viewing it. This is bad for those that choose to work out at outdoors. Xiaomi also added a night mode for Mi Band 3, where the display will dim its brightness after dark. This is very useful as your eyes will not be blinded when you are looking at the time in dark. Xiaomi redesigned the wristband for Mi Band 3 after consumers of Mi Band and Mi Band 2 are complaining that the tracker popped out from the back. Mi Band 3 wristband is very secure until you will not be able to take it out to charge it. I found a way to easily take it out. First, you will have to bend it upwards until you hear the sound. Then, you can take the tracker out easily. This wristband is comfortable to wear even when I go to sleep with it. Talking about charging, Mi Band 3 is sporting a 110mAh battery, and it does able to last me around 20 days of battery life, like Xiaomi claimed with Sleep Assistant turned off. If the Sleep Assistant was turned off, I believe it will provide me more than 20 days of battery life. Mi Band 3 comes with a proprietary charging cable, and it required around 2 hours to fully recharge. Mi Band 3 comes with a heart rate sensor, and the heart rate sensor is also one of the reasons I purchased the Mi Band 3. However, I doubt the accuracy of the heart rate sensor. A Reddit user tested the heart rate sensor on a toilet paper roll, and surprisingly, the heart rate sensor picked up a reading. I tested it myself, and the heart rate sensor did pick up a reading from the toilet paper. Xiaomi still have not given out any official statement regarding this. Based on Teardown by iVankr, Mi Band 3 is powered by the Dialog SmartBond DA14681. If you are interested in watching the Teardown by iVankr, I will leave the link in the description down below, or you can scan the QR code on the top right corner. SmartBond DA14681 was introduced in 2016 and still reliable until today, at least on Mi Band 3. This Bluetooth solution is so complete that OEM just need to add a battery and sensors, then a smart device will born. If you are interested to know more about it, I will leave the link in the description down below, or you can scan the QR code on the top right corner. Mi Band 3 is 5 ATM certified, which means it will be able to submerge into fresh water up to 50 meters. The disappointing part of Mi Band 3 is lacking of GPS. If you want to track your location too, you will have to pair it with your phone. Thumbs down. Xiaomi Mi Band 3 does come with a companion app called Mi Fit. You definitely can use the band individually, but connecting to the Mi Fit will allow you to view more data like your sleep history, heart rate history, and so on. The workout tracking is a little bit too simple for my taste, so I totally ignore the workout tracking feature. The built-in workout tracking does allow you to track your heart rate during workout. What I really like about Mi Band from the original Mi Band to the current Mi Band 3 is the sleep tracking. The information provided to me is simple to understand and detailed enough for me to roughly get an idea about my sleep. What is lacking from the sleep tracking is heart rate data. Of course, I'm not looking for fall detection feature like on Apple Watch, but I would like to know more about my heartbeat during my sleep. Sleep tracking will be turned on automatically during the night, but it does not allow me to track my naps. As for heart rate detection, Xiaomi do allow you to track your heart rate 24/7, but it will decrease the battery life drastically. You got the option from 1 minute to 30 minutes. I know, I did complain the heart rate detection is not available during sleeping, but the problem is I just need to track my heart rate during certain times, like during my workout and during my sleep. I think rather than just having sleep assistant and automatic heart rate detection as option, Xiaomi should add the option of heart rate detection during sleep. You are able to connect your Mi Band 3 to Google Fit, which is a big add-on for me. After the big update for Google Fit, Google added heart rate data to Google Fit. The main reason for me to buy the Mi Band 3 is the heart rate sensor. The sad part of the data syncing between Mi Fit and Google Fit is that Mi Fit does not share the heart rate data with Google Fit, or Google Fit does not pull the heart rate data from Mi Fit. I did feel disappointed, but I think this can be solved by Google and Xiaomi. I do depends on Google Fit a lot as it is quite complete for me. It can detect my walk even the phone is in my pocket. Yes, you did hear me right. I use my phone as my fitness tracker. As I mentioned in the unboxing of Mi Band 3, I am the user of original Mi Band. After it gave up on me, I did not find a replacement immediately as I'm waiting for Mi Band 2 to reach Malaysia. But by the time Mi Band 2 reached Malaysia, Mi Band 3 is selling in China. So, while I'm waiting for Mi Band 2 until Mi Band 3, I depend on my phone to track my walks and hikes. Since Mi Band 3 is lacking of GPS, it became a helping tool for more accurate data collection on Google Fit. Google Fit is able to track more varieties of workout than the Mi Fit, which attract me to use it extensively. After the latest firmware version, 1.8.0.0, I got the feel that it drains less power on my phone. I paired with my HTC U11 when I'm outside for notification. Before the latest firmware, HTC U11 would left around 40% of battery life at 3 PM. After the latest firmware, HTC U11 would left around 50% of battery life at 3 PM. It did not increase my battery life drastically, but around 10% is a good improvement to me. What makes a good fitness tracker? This question can only be answered by you. For me, Mi Band 3 is complete enough for my needs. It is able to track my sleep, track my walk, and able to sync its data with Google Fit. Lacking of GPS and a questionable heart rate sensor are not compromising my experience with Mi Band 3, as pairing with Google Fit complete my experience. So, this is my take on the Mi Band 3. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.